that taxes on income, including corporation tax, discourage people from working. Countries with low income taxes, such as the UK, tend to have stronger economic growth. Second, consumption. This is things like sales tax in America or value-added tax on purchases in Europe. One problem with consumption taxes is that they hit poorer people hardest, who spend more of their income on day-to-day expenses.
Care about. So when people say, hey, Mr. Gates, you should feel guilty because you have so much money. Well, it's not that I have money, it's my consumption I should, if I'm supposed to feel guilty, it's my consumption. The part that is going to philanthropy really is, in a sense, in the pocketbooks of the poorest, assuming that we're smart about getting it to benefit them. And the idea that consumption should be progressively taxed.
In Singapore, the Goods and Services Tax, or GST, is 7%. To ensure that the GST does not hurt the lower income and elderly, we have introduced a permanent GST voucher. Every year, you can benefit from cash for Singaporeans aged 21 and above, top-ups to the MediSave accounts of older Singaporeans aged 65 and above, and for all HDB households, YouSave rebates. This scheme will help offset the GST expenses that you pay. So how can you benefit from the GST voucher? Let's take a look. For lower income retirees, the GST voucher will fully cover your GST spending. For example, if you and your wife are both retirees in your late 60s, and your son, who is in his 30s, is single and earning $1,500 a month, and you stay in a 3-room HDB flat, you will receive $750 in cash, $500 in MediSave, and $240 from YouSave. In total, your GST voucher of $1,490 more than offsets the estimated $1,000 in GST that your household will spend every year. The GST voucher will also offset a significant amount of GST spending for young, lower-income families. For example, if you and your wife are in your 40s, your monthly income is $1,600, while your wife earns $400, and you have 2 young children, this is what you will get: $500 in cash and $240 from YouSave. In total, your GST voucher of $740 will offset more than half of the estimated $1,300 in GST that your family will spend every year. The GST voucher will also help the middle-income family. For example, if both of you are in your 50s, you earn $4,000 a month while your wife is a homemaker. Your 21-year-old son is a student, and your mother is in her 80s. Your family stays in a 4-room flat. Your family will receive $750 in cash, $450 in MediSave, and $220 from YouSave. In total, your family's GST voucher of $1,420, which offsets more than half of the estimated $2,410 in GST that the family pays. Many Singaporeans will benefit from the GST voucher scheme every year, and the best part is, the scheme is here to stay. To find out how you may benefit from the GST voucher, please visit the Singapore Budget 2012 website.